Congratulations on the appointment of His Holiness Pope Robert Prevost. We extend our most sincere congratulations to Cardinal Robert Prevost on his elevation to the papacy. As a native of Chicago, his remarkable journey of faith and service exemplifies the virtues we cherish in our spiritual leaders. May His Holiness's leadership be guided by wisdom, humility, and compassion, inspiring hope and unity across the global Church. Wishing him strength and blessings as he embarks on this sacred mission.